The rise of dark pools in crypto is a double-edged sword. In the short term, it can hide bullish momentum, suppressing price action, but over the long term, it creates the perfect setup. Invisible accumulation, shrinking supply, and then the dam breaks. And then we have an explosive move to the upside that few people are prepared for. So let's talk about that in today's video and dispel all the myths about dark pools. You might be watching the markets right now thinking, well, why isn't crypto exploding? Even with massive news and adoption, the prices feel stuck. Well, today I'm going to show you why dark pools are the invisible hand suppressing prices right now, and why when it breaks, it's going to trigger one of the biggest explosions we've ever seen. So what is a dark pool? Imagine you're buying $500 million worth of XRP, and you don't want the market to front run you. That's where dark pools come in. Dark pools are private venues where large orders are executed off of a public exchange. It's used by institutions to avoid moving the market and causing FOMO. It's basically invisible buying. Trades are disclosed after they're completed, not during. The smart money doesn't make noise, okay? They accumulate silently. They talk their book, and right now they're using dark pools to do it. Institutions are entering crypto at scale, but they need the privacy and efficiency of these dark pools to do it the way that they want to. X, SFOX, and Kraken have all started offering these services to institutional clients. And then we also have some other interesting things like Ren Protocol, which are providing decentralized versions of these dark pools, which are emerging right now. And these are the players that are coming in. We've got hedge funds, family offices, and even nation states that want to accumulate quietly without moving the price and causing a bunch of people to run in after them. And they want to continue to accumulate at these prices before things actually get kicked off here for utility. Public exchanges aren't going to show you what's going on. In the public market, large buys are visible and they drive the price up substantially. In dark pools, the buying pressure is hidden. Prices stay flat, which is exactly what we're seeing in the market right now. Retail investors don't see the excitement, and there's no FOMO that kicks in, and a bunch of other buying volume come in from other people, retail and institutions included. So XRP could be suppressed significantly right now while they're accumulating heavily on the back end, but the price action looks dead. So retail is going to get upset. There's going to be people that sell. These are the periods in crypto where people, even with high conviction, lose hope and move on to the next thing. But if you can hold on, I think you're going to be surprised by what happens next. There's a lot of stigma and like stuff out there in the market right now where people are upset about dark pools, but I'm going to explain why they're actually going to be really beneficial for the people that can hang out and enjoy the upside. So when they flip the switch, it's going to be a vertical liftoff, and those waiting will be priced out almost instantly. Okay, these institutions are silently accumulating, and what that does is it drains liquidity from public exchanges. At some point, demand on the exchanges will exceed the supply, and the market will scramble to reprice itself. There'll be a supply shock. It'll be a sudden 2, 3, 5x move to the upside. No sellers means that price will have to gap up dramatically, and dark pool accumulation is a delayed mechanism that will continue to aggregate and purchase supply without affecting the price on the public exchanges. And then when there's no longer available supply through the dark pools, they'll have to move over here. And that's when you'll see the big move. If you're judging crypto's future by what you see on public exchanges today, you're missing the mark. The real buying is happening in these dark pools. Stay patient, stay positioned, and when the dam breaks, make sure you're not trying to scramble to buy it at $10 when you could have bought it at 50 cents.